I've been asking myself why this camera has such a hold on me. Why I don't get that same feeling with any other. I think I'm beginning to understand why. At first I only saw the obvious. The TX-1 or Xpan's claim to fame is its panoramic mode, capturing exposures almost twice the width of a normal 35mm camera. It's no doubt an engineering masterpiece that offers a crisp, wider image, adding significantly more context and spatial awareness to every single frame. But it goes deeper than that. A panoramic image completely changes how we interact with it, both in the shooting and the viewing processes. Looking at one of these pictures is immersive, and we even process it differently, often scanning the image from left to right, something we don't have to do with a regular 35mm frame. All this brings us closer to feeling like we're actually in a scene rather than simply looking at one. These images replicate something that we just don't get from regular 35mm frames. It's a sense of openness and expanse that feels oddly familiar. Landscapes are picked up in all their true, vast forms. Streets are captured with a sense of the peripheries. But is this just the novelty talking? Is this just a gimmick? This camera is one of the most expensive film cameras on the market, and with its premium build quality and stylish looks, some still say it's just hype. Is it? I don't think so. This camera is a dream to use, it's a dream to look at, but most importantly, the images are anything but from a dream. They feel real. The field of view in this camera is closer to what our eyes naturally perceive, meaning it closely replicates sight, our collective human experience. This camera brings us a step closer to that human experience. And after all, that's what we're trying to share. Because that's all we're really trying to understand.